Keep going.
There we go.
There we go.
Oscar, come here, baby. You almost got him with your cigarette
Oh,
gun.
you almost burn them.
Wow, he
Come here,
I
baby.
didn't burn him, though.
Come here, baby.
Is he
Come
still
here,
on
honey.
me?
Yes.
Come here, baby. Where you at? Come here.
Oh, don't get scared of him.
I was trying
Come
to-
here.
Come on,
He
Oscar.
keeps slamming.
Say,
Alright,
step
there's
up.
a dog and
Step up.
a bird
Step
on
up.
me.
Step up.
Hold on, babe.
Hold on, he's coming. Very good.
Okay.
Come on, Oscar.
Come here, Oscar.
Come on, baby.
He's
Come on.
Back on your head.
Okay. Where's the thing at?
Right here.
Just push it.
What's that
Okay.
white stuff dripping out of your hair?
I know. The bird will shit on me,
Oh
right?
my God, it's funny.
buddy?
Jeez.
What the?
You're getting jealous.
He
huh?
liked it when you guys were laughing. He was mocking you. He was laughing
Alright.
with you.
You're getting jealous,
I
Johnny.
saved him photos. You gotta put that on your
You got a
Facebook.
bird on your head.
Here, let me take another one.
You're a pretty bird.
Get a close up.
What's so funny?
Oscar! Oscar, baby. Hey, Oscar.
He's happy.
Oscar.
I know.
He loves to be around.
What's so funny?
Mike was sitting there
Those are
licking,
my bird's
licking,
nest.
licking tongues with Nunu.
No, I didn't let him kiss me. I was holding him away.
Who?
Bird. He bites
Oh,
your finger
gosh.
right off.
This is
Oh, that's
funny.
He
nice.
tried to bite me.
Oscar, you sitting on Aunt Kathleen's head?
That bird ain't gonna hurt nobody.
No. Yeah.
Oscar.
Oscar. What's up?
But he's not mean. He
What's
wouldn't bite
up,
you.
Oscar?
He wouldn't bite you.
What?